Hi, my name is Jason Tesler. I'm second generation owner here at Just Dashes, and this is our 60 to 63 Ford Falcon dash pad. It's a reproduction that we make here, and one of the unique things that we do with these reproductions is they are made to order, and this is our Ford Falcon tooling that we use, and we do not pull this off of the frame to ship to you until it is ready to go. A lot of questions that we get asked about this is, what is it made out of? So we use vacuum formed dash vinyl. We use high density foam underneath. And this is an exact product that is going to be shipped out. So one of the things that's really important to us is sharp detail lines, making sure the accuracy of it sitting on the frame is correct. So this is by no means a mass produced product. A lot of other reproductions out there will get cranked out of a mold made out of a rubberized urethane. We're a lot more meticulous when it comes to our dash pads. One of the aspects of these early 60s Ford dash pads is this was a luxury option when it came to your vehicle. Dealerships would have a bare metal frame in the dealership, and then they would offer you a luxury crash pad. They actually called it a lifeguard back then. And then they would install it in afterwards. So in your vehicle, you don't actually have anything to pull off of the dash. There's nothing to unbolt from your car to send it into us. So we don't restore these dashes. Our line of reproduction is meant to be a full replacement for your existing dash pad. We can make it at any color. They come stock black, or we can in fact leave it unpainted if you like, if you want to handle the color yourself. You're coloring a lot of other parts, or like we did for our customer here, he sent us in a color sample and we were able to make it this red for him specific to his vehicle. You can place your order online at shop.justdashes.com, or just give us a ring at 818-780-9005 and we'll be happy to take your order. Give us a ring. Let us know if you have any other questions. Talk to you soon.